Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about Bervis ZK campaign that is currently ongoing and the need for you to be able to participate. If you have been yapping on Kaito and be doing every other thing, I encourage you to be able to position yourself for this particular airdrop. In addition to that, all the accumulated points that you're actually doing right now will actually end on the phase 1, which will be on November 2nd. That is Bervis Network Airdrop. Phase 1 ends on November 2nd and it's just started, right? That is like 4 hours ago, only for 7 days for it to be able to work out for everybody. So I'm going to show you how to be able to do it. And the second phase starts by November 3rd. So if you do every single thing here in this video, in which you are still early, you are not late, you are still very early, extremely early, you can be able to get and accumulate more points if you are going to be consistent. And I'm going to show you every single thing concerning this particular airdrop from scratch. So Bervis at the moment is a particular airdrop that is just about Ethereum blockchain, where they actually verify transactions. That's the quality of the transactions that is currently ongoing on the network. That is essentially what Bervis network is. And in terms of going deeper into what their airdrop is all about, it's like proving grounds. That's Bervis Proving Grounds. That is the name of the campaign. It's a featured campaign for the participants. So I'm going to show you every single thing related to it right now, just from this their essential blog, their blog that I just showed right now. So as you can see, this is like today. That is, as at the time of recording this video, if you can see my screen, that is 18th of October 2025. That is today, as at the time of recording this video. So here is what it is. That's an open agent, and I'm not going to bore you with this, but the most important thing is this particular section here. That's how it works. So every 24 hours, Bervis reads your on-chain data from supported protocols, that's DEX, yield vaults, lending markets, aggregates positions off-chain. On-chain and off-chain means like swapping bars, buying and selling, applies reward weights, and generates zero knowledge proofs attesting to calculations. That's reward weight. So you will be rewarded for every on-chain transaction that you make while interacting with your devs. So your interactivity is what is needed. All right. So open ident reward contract verifies the proof of on-chain and unlocks that day's reward for eligible wallets to claim with a single transaction. So after every 24 hours, you're expected to be able to claim your participation. That's from you interacting with their on-chain. You'll be expected to claim your rewards. So there's no spreadsheet, no trust assumption, and just cryptographic certainty that end reward for equal received rewards. So this is the numbers that they have. As you can see, it's only 2 million proofs. Then 3,000 as at the time of recording. After the time of recording this video, it's currently as at 3,466 unique addresses, and it is extremely small. You know how millions can actually participate in an airdrop. So we are actually early as at the time of making this video, which is the same dates here. That is 18th of October 2025. So basically, the next thing that you need to be able to do is just for you to be able to understand a rundown. So this is Bervis as their Twitter handle. This is the information that they talked about concerning the participation of the Bervis accounts. That's the proving grounds. Now, I'm going to put the link in the description, or you can be able to get it in my Telegram channel. I don't know why I'm not putting links at the moment, but you still see it. You can just copy it there on my YouTube and you can be able to see it. But I'm also going to put it in my community section of my account so that you can be able to get it from there alongside. Then the first thing that you need to be able to do is when you click on that link, it is going to show you or take you to this particular section. Mind you, you can do Bervis actually with your phone, but I normally use my PC to do the entire interaction. That is it. But you can do it with your phone, not with a Chrome browser, probably with Mrs. browser or Mrs. browser, and you can be able to complete the entire interaction. So every single thing is just the same thing. So the first thing that you need to be able to do for this particular airdrop are to get your requirements. The first requirement is to be able to get your wallet. So the wallet for this, since it is an EVM, that's what Bervis is. So you need to use an EVM supported wallet. You can use Metamask or Rabi, but mostly I use my MetaMask for me to be able to do the entire interaction. The next is for you to be able to have a Twitter account, which should be an old Twitter, at least 30 days, just to be on the safe side. An old Twitter account, as well as basically a single Discord server or Discord account, which is just simple thing the way we have been doing it here for quite some time. So let's get right into the interaction. So the first thing that we need to be able to do here is to connect our wallet. So you can either click on the yellow button here, or you can click on the yellow button on the navigations tab. So I'll click on the whichever one. Then you can connect your wallet, MetaMask wallet connect, Coinbase or Rabby. So I connect my MetaMask there and just wait for it to be able to load for me. So here it is. Then you can be able to connect and allow it to connect from MetaMask, and make sure that you sign it in MetaMask for you to be able to get every single thing. So here is it, Ethereum blockchain, and you can see my wallet name and welcome to Bervis, and I can press confirm. That's confirm it, and it should actually complete my registration. That's my connection from the wallets. So that is like the first step that we need to be able to do. Then the second step is to get started. Please complete the following qualification steps. The next step is to follow them on X. That is, if you click on it, so you need to be able to connect your X here. So one thing I would like to do is just to, at some point, I would just like to unfollow them right here at the moment so that it will register, because I've already followed them, but I just want it to completely register for me. So I'll just click on follow, connect my X accounts here, connect my X accounts and allow it to be able to load for me. That's, make sure that you have an X account that is at least 30 days old. That's your airdrop wallet or even your main wallet, depending on which one that you feel most comfortable with. Okay, so you can be able to connect. Then I'll just authorize, as you can see with my name. I'll just authorize and allow it to be able to complete every single thing. So please confirm the X, and got it. I've now gotten the X. That's nice to have you on X. So we just have to close. Then the next will be to join their Discord server. That is the next step. So I'll just click on join the Discord server, and I'll just click on connect Discord and allow it to redirect me to my Discord. Make sure you have your Discord on. That's one of the key things that I normally do. I just have my Discord on. Then whenever I'm connecting, it will just be straightforward for me. So I'll just continue on Discord. I'll just continue on Discord quickly. I'll just log in with one, add an account. So simply add an account here. I'll just pause it a bit. So now, as you can see, I have joined their Discord server. And that leads us to the next phase of the interaction. That's once you have joined their Discord. So it will just load briefly. So I'll just wait for it to be able to load, and I will continue. So once you join their Discord server, you have some certain tasks to be able to perform inside their Discord. All right. So once you can be able to do that, that is when you get more of the interaction. So the interactions are based mostly on probably on the Discord, than as well as the daily activities, as well as that on the website once you have already connected. So maybe we'll just wait for it to be able to load briefly. Yes, now we have finally joined the Discord server for Bervis. The next thing that you need to be able to do is just to read through the every single thing here. That's the welcome, for you to be able to unlock the points as well as claim the badges. So first, respect everybody, this, that, then engage to and ride the wave of exciting. So the first thing here is to be able to engage. So for me, I'll just click on Nigeria, which is our flag. Here, I'll click on our flag. Then before you talk here, this is the rules. Then you can just press I have read and agree to the rules, then submit. So then you can be able to give a reaction that you can just do for Nigeria, you can do for this green part, maybe you can do for this green part or this one. So if you have access to be able to do for all of them, you can just simply do for all of them, or maybe not for your country, share, but do for at least these other ones. So there's no nitro then. These are like the ones that are okay to be able to continue. Then the next is to start with your identity. So every Zcat has a role to play. Begin yours here with the verified tag. That head over to no access to choose your starting role, and then what makes each title special. So endpoints, rise to catch up. I don't have access to all of them yet at the moment. So daily check-in is 2 points. Twitter and Discord is 10 points. Retweet and comment up to 3 points per post with all 3 actions done. Tags will be under, that's tags will be published here, and 100 points, that's 2 weeks of consistency for 100 points. Then check access. I don't have access yet, so I'll just here interact, and interact. Okay, so these are like the things for me to be able to do in order to verify. So I've gone through the welcome, then I've gone through the rules, so I'll go back to the welcome again. The objective is just to interact so that you can get these places unlocked on the Discord. Once you have gotten it, you can be able to interact as many as you can, as much as you can for the particular thing, that you can be able to get every single thing needed. So if you click on verify, once you click on verify, that's how do you verify. You can just watch this tutorial video. So to verify, I'm going to watch it. So I'm going to watch it and pause the video a little bit here. What? Once you are able to do that, that means you are completely verified for the entire process. Then you can simply come back to the account. So just wait for it to be able to load or refresh, because I have tried refreshing and it is still not showing for me to be able to log in. Okay, but nonetheless I believe that it will, because I have been verified on the account. That is what you are seeing on top here, and I've done all the interactions. So probably I'll just wait for it to load and complete the entire process. So that is for joining the Discord server. The network is a bit laggy, okay, and it is not actually going 100% smoothly. So probably if you can try it at night or at midnight, or you can just wait when people are actually, when you feel like you have enough network for you to be able to complete it. But that is for Bervis Spark. That's how to be able to sign up using the Twitter as well as the Discord. I would have gone further, but it is still I'm still waiting for my Discord. So in the next video, instead of making this one long, I'm going to give an extra update in terms of how to be able to do the task, as well as the referral code that you might be needing so that you can be able to log in. All right, so basically that's all for this video. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.